everyone, Gil at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to keep talking about butters. One down, we're going to talk about other butters. And some of you are looking at me like, huh? All right, so we've talked about dairy butter and we've talked about peanut butter. Well, there are other butters. There's apple butter, sun butter, all the different ways you can make butters, spreads from different types of food. So look into all the different type of butters out there. And you say, well, what do you mean? There's just a couple. No, there's a lot. If you look at the thumbnail for this, there's a whole bunch of them shown there. I found cashew butter, almond butter, which I said sun butter, which is made from sunflower seeds, apple butter, look into it. There's a lot of different options out there to make your dairy butter go farther. So you're not using your dairy butter on toast or something like that. You can use these other things on it, these other butters on it instead. All right. So look into it. Check it out now. Get one of the small containers of it. See whether or not you guys like it. You may discover something new that your family just absolutely loves. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, clothing, and anything else you're going to need to survive. Why? This is why.